Tips when traveling with children, to save you more time. Pack essentials. Pack essentials such as food, snacks, extra clothes, and any necessary medications. Make a list. Make a list of all the things you need to pack, including items for your children, such as games, books, and toys. Choose a family-friendly destination. Research destinations that are suitable for children and have activities that will keep them entertained. Make travel comfortable for children. Make sure your children are comfortable by bringing their own blanket or stuffed animal, and consider using a baby carrier or stroller. Get them involved in the planning process. Get your kids involved in the planning process, let them choose activities and sites that interest them. Be flexible. Be prepared to adjust your itinerary as needed, and build in time for rest and relaxation. Bring entertainment. Pack portable entertainment such as tablets, books, or travel games to keep children occupied on long journeys. Be prepared for delays. Be prepared for flight delays, long layovers, and other unexpected events. Pack healthy snacks. Pack healthy snacks, drinks, and water bottles. It will save you money and keeps the kids happy. Keep important documents handy. Keep important documents such as passports, birth certificates, and travel insurance policies easily accessible.